Hi Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Virgo, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the month of July 2021. Also Virgo, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Virgo, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, and your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's look at into the channel messages coming up for you here, Virgo. Okay, so on this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the sign that I'm getting coming up for you here, Virgo, I'm getting a very strong air sign, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. I'm also getting a very strong fire sign coming up here as well, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. You could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now, looking at your energy here, Virgo, I'm getting the sun coming up here, the Fool card, and then I've also got the Tower energy coming up here as well. So first thing that I've got coming up for you here, Virgo, that you are actually ready to move on, or you're actually ready to just continue with a new phase in your life, I would say here, Virgo. So with this Fool energy coming up here and the Sun card that I've got coming up, so these two card combination, this two energy combination that I've got coming up for you here, this is basically an indication that you're actually ready to just go ahead and starting a new chapter of your life, starting up a new journey in your life here, whether this will be with your person or completely a new person here. So I do feel like you are definitely going to be getting a lot of new opportunities, I would say here, not only in terms of the love situation. I feel like mostly in terms of the finances and just like general situation in your life here, Virgo. You will be getting a lot of new opportunities. You are going to be meeting up with a lot new more people in your life here, Virgo. And I feel like this is the time that you need to make the decision whether you actually going to open up yourself, open up your heart here, either meeting up with new people or just like embracing these new opportunities that is coming up in all area, in all aspects of your life here, Virgo. And with this Sun energy coming up here, this is definitely a wonderful energy, because whatever this decision that you're going to take, and whichever way that you're going to move forward from now, moving forward into the future here, this is definitely going to be guarantee you a lot of happiness, and ultimate success coming up in your life here, Virgo. Now, looking at the Tower Mermaid energy coming up here, I feel like this is something that you have been dealing with throughout this month, I would say here, or at least for the last couple of months here. So with this, the Tower Mermaid that I've got coming up for you here, I feel like sometimes you could feel the either anxiety or just like feeling a little bit of uneasiness within yourself here. And I feel like, again, coming back to this Fool energy coming up, you're coming back to this new opportunity, or this like a new jump, this new leap of faith that you need to be taking up here, Virgo. I feel like I do feel like you know about this, or you have been thinking about, you have been like making up your mind, or trying to like weighing up the option, should you do this, should you not do that. So I feel like you've been trying to making up a decision. You are trying to like see which way that you need to go, and I feel like this is something that is causing you a little bit of inner conflict within yourself here. And there is some sort of like a little bit of hardship, little bit of struggle that have been coming up on your way here, I would say here, for the last couple of months here, Virgo. So I feel like all of these challenges and all of these struggles, all of this hardship that you are actually currently going through at this point of time here, Virgo, all of this is definitely going to be resulting to the happiness that I've got coming up here for you. I've got the Ten of Pentacles coming up here. This is like talking about richness in all level is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Virgo. So one thing that I'm going to suggest, or one thing that I'm going to advise for you here, is that do not making a rush decision, do not rushing into anything here, because whatever decision that you're going to make here, this is going to be resulting in all of happiness and in a lot of success. This is like completion in all level, richness in all level here, Virgo. So I feel like when the opportunity is coming onto your life here, please just take the opportunity without any hesitation here is what I'm getting. Now let's look at into your person energy here. This is quite interesting because I've got the Two of Cups and the Three of Cups energy coming up here from your person. So first of all here, Virgo, there is definitely a soul connection between you and your person. There is no doubt on that. Now with this Three of Cups energy comes in here, this is a little bit of third party situation is what I'm getting, that your person is currently struggling with at this point of time. Now this third party situation does not necessarily have to be another person. This could be another karmic situation, like could be like a toxic friend, toxic family members that they are currently stuck with here. But I feel like at this point of time here, they are currently struggling to balancing up themselves, I would say here, or to maintain balance within themselves, between their soul purpose, or between this soul connection that both of you have here with the third party situation, or with the karmic situation that they're currently dealing with here as well, Virgo. So this is something that kind of like making them or throwing them off balance at this point of time here, because part of them know that they need to be with you, or they need to like approach you and like basically like working on themselves here and just coming back, running towards you here. But at the same time, they're also feeling a little bit stuck or a little bit trapped within this particular karmic situation, within this particular third party situation, toxic situation, whatever that they're currently dealing with at this point of time here. So this is where they are currently struggling with at this point of time here. They are struggling between the soul connection that both of you share, as well as the karmic connection or the karmic situation that they need to fix at this point of time here, Virgo. They definitely want to come towards you. They do want to come towards you like running at the lightning speed, I would say here, with this Knight of Swords energy. And then I've also got the Star energy comes in here as well. So this is also talking about a very strong healing energy is what I'm getting coming up here as well. So I feel like this is what they're currently doing at this point of time here, going through the necessary healing, going through the necessary transformation within themselves. Now looking at the channel messages that I've got coming up for you here is that I've got you mean the world to me, and then I've got communication blockage coming up here. So this communication blockage is basically talking about what is the current situation in terms of the communication, where both of you might not really be communicating too well or on enough communication. But with this yes energy that I've got coming up here, they're actually thinking a lot about you here, and you mean a lot to them, I would say here, Virgo. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.